Hi guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
We all know the brand Royal Enfield, which is famous for its reliability, raw and boldness. Enfield has lot of motorcycles such as 350s, 400s, 500s and 650s, where 500 has been discontinued, but most of them have the 350, that too the classic, which was having many issues, but now the Royal Enfield has gone a step ahead with a new 350cc engine by this new bike. Yes, it is the all new Royal Enfield Meteor 350. You can see that this motorcycle is similar like a Thunderbird. Yes, it is because Royal Enfield has said that this Meteor 350 is the replacement of the Thunderbird. Meteor holds the all-new 350cc engine producing 20.4 PS at 6000 rpm and 27 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm. Suspensions of this motorcycle: front gets a normal telescopic suspension and rear gets a double-sided cylindrical shocks. Talking about brakes, this motorcycle gets a dual channel ABS with front and rear equipped disc brakes. And an huge needed changeover by RE is the instrument cluster. Yes, this motorcycle has an handy instrument cluster which is semi-digital, gets an Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation and fuel indicator too. The Meteor 350 comes with 3 different variants called as Fireball, Stellar and Supernova, where Stellar gets 3 color options, the Fireball and Supernova gets in 2 color options each, but Supernova variant gets in some mods as stock, such as long visor at the front and backrest. RE has given a customization space according to customers for this motorcycle. This customization holds color change of the motorcycle, color change and styles of front visors, crash guards, foot pegs, and customization in seats and customer name badges on the tank. Seats of Meteor is so comfortable for the rider for long tours, but not in case of pillion. Pillion seats is small and not so comfortable. Finally, thanks for RE for giving us a better motorcycle than before with great handling, features, mainly refinement and reduced vibrations. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon.